What is going on, you guys? Andres Ricardo here, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the Balenciaga track sneakers, which are the latest shoes to be put out by this brand. Now, from watching my previous videos, you would probably know that I already own the Speed Trainers and the Triple S. Both of these shoes, as soon as I saw them, I was instantly in love with them. It wasn't really the same with the track sneakers. I wasn't really into the model or the colorways they put out first, though that quickly changed last week. I went on the website and I saw they had a black, gray with red accents on the soles, just like the other two pairs that I have. And I don't know, I just thought it would be cool to have the three models in the same colorway. Now, once they finally arrive and I saw them in person, I totally fell in love with them. You guys, these are the most complicated, intricate, just detailed, probably the most intricate design I've ever seen from this brand as far as sneakers go. They're literally just a work of art. And I mean, you're paying $957 after taxes, so they better be. According to the Balenciaga website, these shoes are made by 96 high-tech components. I'm not sure what those are, but that's what it says here. Washed vintage effect, so you're gonna see how they kind of like the Triple S, they already come with the impression that they're pre-distressed. They do come with two laces, which is not really practical and it's kind of annoying really, but it does add to the intricate vibe they're going for. You guys know Balenciaga is always doing the most, so they put two laces on these shoes. It also says these are made out of reinforced rubber outsole to avoid abrasion and increase lifespan, which is, I thought was really nice. I mean, you are paying a lot for these shoes, so it's really smart of them to make them that way. And lastly, these are made in China. Again, a lot of people, just like with the Triple S, a lot of people have complained about that. A lot of people don't like it. It is what it is. I mean, I don't think China products are necessarily bad if they're made with the same techniques as you would make them in Italy or France. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what they look like on feet. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you did find this video informative or helpful in any way, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Also, if you want to keep up with me on a daily, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I do post daily outfit pictures on there. And lastly, if you're interested in anything I'm wearing, whether it be the shirt, the accessories, or the shoes that we unboxed here today, you can check the description box below, which will have links to everything. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.